Alright everyone, good morning. It's Cyan. It's currently 10:45 in the morning. I don't think you can see that, but I'm on my way to class this way, and I figured that today it would be a really nice day. It's a little bit busy to show you what a day in the life looks like. I'm a senior. I design mode major in engineering at Stanford, and I wanted to take you along with me. The first class I have today is product design, my capstone class, and then I have a sculpture class, which will be really fun to see because we're going to be working in the studio and we're going to be doing a little bit of woodworking projects, so that should be really fun. So yeah, let's go. Come on, I'm running a little late. Our design classroom. Do you want to be in it?
Sure.
This is my teammate for our capstone project. We're working hard.
Yes. Can you tell?
The rest of our teammates are on Zoom.
Happy family meal time, gonna work out.
Alright, so class just ended and I'm gonna head to Trester Union to get some food because I have class at 1:30. I have to walk all the way to McMurtry, which you'll find out is far, I guess. I always get the most basic sandwich possible at Subway, but it's been like years of this, so I'm used to it. It's just chicken breast with cheese, American cheese, and lettuce, and on a whole grain sandwich. That's it. It's not very creative, but it always tastes perfect to me. It's 1:05. My next class is at 1:30. It'll take me like 20 minutes to walk there, so I'll start walking at 1:10. So I'll spend like 5 minutes just eating and chilling and enjoying the beautiful weather. Today is such a nice day. It's usually a nice day, but yesterday it was really foggy, so this is a nice change. So it's 1:20 and I'm running late to class because I accidentally got into a discussion in the comments of a meme. Why does this happen? Anyways, look how pretty it is. It's been literally 4 years almost, and I still can't believe sometimes that I go here. It's just so pretty. I don't know, I don't always walk through this section, but now that I have class at the art building, I go here every single day, and it's like, what is this? Honestly, tag yourself, that one's me. Alright, well, welcome to McMurtry, arguably one of the prettiest buildings on campus. I'll show you. Look at the architecture. It's just super interesting. Studios on the bottom, studios on the top, library in the middle. Right next to the Rodin sculptures. We are at the sculpture studio.
Oh, I'm stretching. My back hurts. How it's like to be an artist.
This is the sculpture studio. All over wood. And then this is the workshop. Alright, here's a little bit of storage space. These were my initial cardboard projects. But now we're working with wood. So I'm going to put my mini prototype together. This is the mold making area. This is the outside area. There's a spray painting booth in there. Some welding in there. And the metal workshop's over behind that wall. Alright, so I made this little maquette of the shape. The idea is kind of about parasocial relationships and pouring a lot in. This is kind of like the first iteration. I'm not super stoked about this, so I'm gonna draw up some more sketches. Alright, we just finished our class. I'm a little further on my idea. It's It doesn't look further in the sketch, but the concept is there. That is there. Kaylee, how about you? How's your sculpture going?
No progress. But
I think there's progress.
Mental
100%.
progress.
Mental progress. We ran into some friends. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Have a good class.
Bye.
See, at Stanford, we sit outside. This is the art gallery. Gunnar has a show there.
Yeah, his February show.
All right, I'm back in my dorm. I'm really tired, so I might take a little nap. But Kaylee's here. She's just gonna do some work. I'm so tired, y'all. It's not even been a long day, but kind of a long day, no? So I'm still in bed, but now we've actually gone to get food. Today, our chef made us Korean barbecue. And honestly, he's amazing.
It's really good.
It is so good. I'm really enjoying it. I forgot to film, which is why it's half eaten. What I have to do today? I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna edit videos actually. So it's a little bit of a meta vlog. But thank you for watching to this point. All right.
Bye.